take number 2. Let's hope it works out this time. Set it to pilot. Ready the piezo lighter. Depress. Gas is flowing. Check for the pilot light. Can't see. Yep, very faint blue flame. So now you slowly let go of the pilot control. Now this light is supposed to blink. It's been my experience that this light is about as useful as, well, let's just say it's not very useful. Alright, fire it up. Sweet. Now we just wait 15 minutes and check to make sure there's hot water inside. And I'll be shopping around to make sure there's not one on sale, and it's probably getting close to that time to retire this thing. So anyway, I hope that helps you if you're working on your gas water heater. Good luck. Bye-bye.